Morning guys. So really there's only a few things that we got to do to this combine yet till we are ready to rock and roll on some wheat harvest here today. And we're gonna hopefully start on cutting wheat sometime after lunch, probably around 1 o'clock, and give her all she's got, and hopefully it's under 15. Transferring. Well, we went down and checked the wheat before lunch here, and we're pretty sure it's good to go. So all we need to do is get the header out, grease the sickle, and we are good to go. So we're going to head down there right after lunch and try it, and hopefully it's under 15%, and we'll keep on cutting. Also, for those that are interested, we've got a nice brand new tractor mat here for the S690. And if you guys are interested in ordering yourself a tractor mat for your combine, tractor, or sprayer, you guys can use Werner, W-E-R-N-E-R, for the promo code to get $15 off any order from Tractor Mat. I will have the promo code and the website linked down below. That way you guys can order yourself a tractor mat for your guys' pieces of equipment. There we go. We are cooking now.
Let's go.
I'm putting on gloves. Patience. Whoa! How she blows. Journey to the bottom of the pit. Oh! Whoa, that went out my butt. My God. Yep. Dad's headed to the field with the combine. I'm behind him with the head. Let's go. is running on that irrigated field anywhere between 9 to 10%. I would say when we get out in where the irrigated wheat is, I would say around 12 to 13.5%. So as long as it stays under 15%, we're just going to keep on cutting. Got the pit cleaned out. I'm taking the black semi over right now. It's really hard to tell on how this wheat's going to do. We had our expectations pretty low, considering this wheat we're pretty sure did get hit by a freeze twice. We're going to run this wheat up into that south holding bin, which holds about 3,200 bushel, whatever can't fit between these two semis, so that way, since the elevators are closed today, obviously, since it's 4th of July, so happy Independence Day to all you guys, and enjoy this Independence Day wheat harvest. Wow, those kernels are small. That's crazy. Never seen wheat that small before. Wow. much gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We got the black semi full. Blue semi is gonna be full here pretty soon in the next few rounds. And we're gonna call it quits here. We actually have to head over to my cousin's house and go to a little party that they're throwing for the 4th of July. And there's gonna be about another semi-load left in this field, and we'll finish this field up tomorrow, and probably end up putting the 8530 back on the drill, since the drill monitor is in the 8530. That way we've got a population gauge for that, because without the monitor we really have no idea on population wise and what we're dropping with the drill without that. So we'll end up putting the 8530 back on the drill. Drill these beans more than likely tomorrow, and list Pioneer 28T14Es, and we'll save the 30 acres of wheat just up the road here that we have left for a later date, because we're going to be pretty much full between the 2 loads in a 3200 bushel bin and the 2 loads here in the semi. So we won't be able to take those up to the port of Indiana till first of the week after the holiday weekend, so on Monday. So between Monday and Tuesday we'll get that wheat cut, and I'm not entirely sure when we'll cut rye, maybe towards the end of next week. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. Links for those are down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Happy 4th of July, everybody, and thank you guys for watching.